guys, this is a gun unboxing. Airsoft gun, just to make sure you don't think it is real. It is a zinc alley steel. We got a nice clip, drops out easily. And we got some BBs, so let's hear what it sounds like. Cool. You could put a silencer in it, but you gotta stick the silencer in the barrel to screw on, and sometimes on these guns the trigger gets jammed, but it's one thing that I've noticed that I don't like about it already. It's this thing on the clip where it's like hanging out and it don't look like a real gun. Plus that orange. Mostly steel, and the thing that you cock it with is steel. The body is steel. The only part that ain't is the trigger and the handle and the clip. And I will give her a little shooting demonstration now. That sounds quite strong. So yeah, it's quite heavy. That part don't go down, that's another annoying thing. This side don't go up, but I'm trying to get it out. It just won't work. And if you look on the clip, it haven't got a thing that you can pull down and lock it to easily put BBs in. And if you go like that, you can see the part there going up and down. I'll give it a demonstration and see if it shoots two this time, because sometimes it shoots two at a time. Yeah. Yeah, really. So subscribe, and save it as one of your favourites. Thumbs up or thumbs down, I don't care. Just subscribe and it'll make me feel happy. Bye.